guys, so I wanted to do a quick video tutorial on how to change the wine set for different types of wood using Illustrator. So first thing we need to do is we need to make sure that we have our advanced toolbar open. So we go to Window, we go to Toolbars, and we select Advanced. So if you open it up and it's little like this, that means you have Basic. So Toolbars and select Advanced. Next thing we want to do is we are going to check the measurement of this right here. We want to see how long this is. So what is probably showing right now on your toolbar is the eyedropper tool. We're going to want to right click on this eyedropper tool and then go to Measure tool, and we are going to click and drag. So we click on the bottom right corner, we drag up to the top point, and it's showing that our height is 0.51. 0.51. Okay? So say our measurement for the thickness of our wood is actually 0.40 inches. And actually I should mention that. Let's back up for a second. If you're showing pixels or if you're showing millimeters, the way to change that is to go to Illustrator, Preferences, and go to Units. And you can change units. You change this to inches. So to follow along, that may be the easiest thing to do. Okay, so back to what we were doing. So we are measuring at 0.51. So say it's 0.40 is what we want to actually be that depth. So we are going to take 0.51, we are going to subtract 0.40, which means we need to move these 2 points down here up 0.11 inches. The easiest way I have found to do that is to go to Illustrator, Preferences, General, and we change the keyboard increment to 0.11. So I had already done this once. So, you know, you might have it set at 0.01 right now. So just change it to 0.11. Now what we're going to do is we're going to select the direct selection tool. A is the shortcut. And what this does is it allows you to select just a point. You don't select the entire thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click, we are going to select both of the bottom points, and we are going to hit up once on our arrow key. So that has now moved our 2 points up 0.11 inches. We can double check it if we want with our measurement tool. On down, look at that, 0.4. Okay? So if we wanted to do that again, white arrow, select both points, up once, and again we're now at 0.40. We want to go ahead and check it, we can. Okay, so we would want to do that for the other upright as well. Obviously, because it's upside down, we would select and we would hit down rather than up. So white arrow, select your 2 points, hit down, white arrow, select your 2 points, hit down. Okay, so that is all changed, and that is ready to go based off of our measurement. So now if we want to do our base, we've got a rectangle selected with our white arrow. Your properties panel should pop up. 2 things we need to note. Number 1, your set reference point should be in the center, and this little oval should be crossed out. That tells you that you can change one dimension and not the other. If it was locked, that means it would change together. The proportions would change together. So we don't want that. We want to just change our width. So we're going to select our width. We're going to change it to 0.40, hit enter, and that made it just a little bit wider. If you want to have fun and check and play with your measurement tool, you can. And look at that, 0.40. So this was just a quick down and dirty tutorial on how you can go through and change slots and points, move them around in a pretty easy fashion. And I hope this is helpful. I can try to learn how to do it on Inkscape and Silhouette, or maybe someone would be willing to chime in and help the group and explain how to easily move things around on Inkscape or Silhouette. So that is it for now, and talk to you guys soon.